Are you seeing any signs of wear and tear on your roof? Do you know it needs replacing, but are dreading getting it done? In this video, I'll walk you through what a roofing project should look like, and in the end, you'll know exactly what to expect. I'm Amador with Pacific Exteriors. Many homeowners are intimidated by roofing projects. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it actually is. Sign up at our website. An estimator will arrive at your home on time to walk the project with you. The estimator will be using a drone to help locate the problem areas on your roof without having to be on the roof physically. They will provide you with solutions and a competitive price. After an agreement has been reached, your project manager will reach out to you within 3 to 4 business days. They will then set a pre-construction meeting to help familiarize themselves with your home, with the scope of work, the materials that are going to be used, as well as a staging area for the dumpster, the honey bucket, and the materials. Your start of your project will then be scheduled 2 to 3 weeks after your pre-con's completion. Standard project in the Pacific Northwest could take up to 2 to 3 days, with the first day focused on demolition and the following 2 days focused on installation. Other things could delay the project, with weather being our main point, as well as adding other systems to your project. Gutters could delay the project for 2 days. Rot is another issue that we might find that could delay the project as well. About 2 days at most, if we do have to replace your plywood. When getting a new roof installed, you can expect loud noises, pneumatic gun nails, and hammers going periodically throughout the day. I've actually done a video on the install. Please check it out. Once the roofing crew has notified your project manager that the roofing has been completed, your project manager will reach out to you to schedule a walkthrough of the project, making sure that all standards have been met. Many homeowners are intimidated with roofing projects. It's actually very easy, very hands-off, and quickly done. Make sure you visit our website and sign up today for a free estimate. Thank you for watching.